Hello, I'm Jason from Deepernauts, and very soon we're going to release firmware version 2.0.6. Let's take a look. First up, head over to Ads Blocker and then DNS filtering. You can now enable DOH blocking so you do not have to log into your individual browser and then disable DOH. You can do it directly from your Deeper. Next up, head over to Security and then Settings. You can allow internal UDP servers. There'll be more information in an upcoming video. Lastly is a feature that is dedicated for Wi-Fi relay mode, so for your DeeperConnect Air, Pico, or Lite. Once you boot up your device and connect to the Wi-Fi, a captive portal will immediately initiate. This allows you to scan for Wi-Fi frequencies and connect to any existing Wi-Fi. This is also perfect for places that have their own Wi-Fi portal, like hotels, airports, and coffee shops. This is designed to bypass any frustrating connections that need to be repeated. Once you boot up your device and connect to the captive portal, you will immediately be able to go through the connection process seamlessly. 2.0.6 is going to release very soon, so keep an eye on Deepernauts socials, as well as log into your device and head over to Device, System Information, and make sure that you are on Auto Update.
Deepernauts, of the users, by the users, for the users.